Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Docs without allowing others to edit it. So head over to docs.google.com and sign into your account. You can open any Google Doc file that you want to use, or we can start with a blank document. Inside the blank document, head to the upper right corner and click on the share button. This will open the sharing settings. So under the general access, let's switch it from restricted to anyone with the link. You can change it from viewer to commenter or editor. Let's stick with viewer. This ensures people can only view the document and cannot make edits. If we want to share it with specific people, enter their email addresses right here in the Add People in Groups. Make sure their permission is set to only viewer. If you want to share this document, you can go ahead and click on the copy link. And then send that link directly to anyone. Alternatively, if you add a person, you will have the option to notify them. So anyone with the link will now only be able to view the document and not edit it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.